This sparks joy for me. 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 This doesn't spark joy for me. You've probably heard of Marie Kondo and her book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Maybe you read it, and maybe like me, you binged her entire Netflix series in the span of one weekend and then promptly overturned your house, seeing what sparked joy for you and what didn't. Well, you can totally KonMari your resume as well. It's not just about the joy part, but we'll cover a bit of that. It's really about the tidying part and making your resume work better for you. 今日、私はあなたの履歴書をこんまりするあなたに問うのアイディアをあげる。Let's get started. Number 1, do you have a duty or responsibility that you absolutely hate doing? Or should I say doesn't spark joy? Chop it from your resume. Number 2, did you accomplish something recently that totally outshines what's already on your resume? Swap them out and put the old one in storage on your Kick-Ass Kudos file to access later if you need. Watch my video on your Kick-Ass Kudos file. The link is in the comments below. Number 3, is there something you're really good at but you don't like doing? Same as number 1, snip that skill from your skills section. Just because you're good at it doesn't mean you have to highlight it. Number 4, do you have any accomplishments or work details that are worded in such a way that it doesn't resonate with your current career direction? Trim these or reword them. Number 5, old work experience that doesn't apply to where you're headed now? Cut it. Number 6, did you take any non-credentialed courses and they don't really feel like they relate to where you're going now? Say bye to these and cut them from your education section. Number 7, do you have an obscure degree, major or minor, that doesn't support where you're headed now? On your education section, cut the major, keep the degree. Number 8, do you have any volunteer experience that you're not particularly jazzed about or is just a one-time gig? Chop it. Number 9, are the random letters and numbers after your name in your LinkedIn profile URL sparking joy? My thought is probably no. Make sure to customize your LinkedIn URL. I've created a video on how and why to do this, and it's provided in the comments below. Number 10, cut any of the usual suspects that don't spark joy for your readers. References available upon request, hobbies and interests you've included just for the sake of including hobbies and interests. Just get rid of those. Are you unsure what you can KonMari from your resume? I offer a resume review service that might just be the fit for you. Send me a DM for more information and pricing. Also, tell me in the comments below all the burning questions you have for resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn, or job searching. Many of the videos I create are inspired or in response to viewer questions. So ask away and we'll see if we can create a video just for you. I post new videos every Tuesday. So if you want to make sure that you're being notified about them, there's a few things you can do. 1, connect with me here on LinkedIn. 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to get notified. And 3, follow me over on Instagram at Kamara Toffolo. And as always, stay tuned for next Tuesday's Tuesday 10. Thanks for joining.